This is the Olympian Park. Manipur gi ihan Hon'ble Olympian Park. A small state like ours, we need all the encouragement that is required. We need all the commitment that is required. This is the best way of encouraging the people of Manipur who are sports enthusiasts, who are sports lovers, to achieve higher, to aim higher, and also in fact increase the number of the Olympians. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. We are really happy to have this kind of Olympian Park. This is one of the aesthetic view of the famous Olympic emblem. It's S.Saheibung Ko House Sapa. This is the Olympian Park. Manipur gi ihan Hon'ble Olympian Park hai tare, to encourage sports persons of the state and also to immortalize those who have participated in the Olympics and also those who have won the Olympic medals. Manipur, if you really look in the context of India, we are perhaps just 0.25% of the total population of India, but our contribution, the state's contribution to sports is in fact a huge chunk. So the government, the present Honorable Chief Minister, he wants to encourage sports persons, and therefore in order to really give them that kind of incentive and encouragement and also to immortalize their achievement, this Olympian Park is established. We'll now have a look at how the place, how the the park is done. Let's go and have a look. It's really nice, very beautiful. Manipur Olympian Park. And here is one of the very famous quote: the only victory that counts is the one over yourself. This place is located right at the border of Imphal West and Kampupi district, very ideally and scenically beautifully located. So let's go inside and see how the other places, how the statues, how the the pictures are being made, or it's something like the Madame Tussauds wax figures. And I believe the 19 Olympians who are from Manipur have their statues in one of the halls here. We'll have a look at it. So this is like the Hall of Excellence. If you go inside, we'll have the statues of the Olympians, the very popular ones like MC Mary Kom, and then Nilkamal, the first Manipuri Olympian, and also a medalist. We have quite a few of them. When we go inside, we'll just have a look at some of the prominent ones. These are some of the important figures, Olympians of Manipur, and this is our very own MC Mary Com, and this is our weightlifter. The boxer, Dinku. जुदोका ये सुशीला है क्या मसक्ते फजन दिखांग मंगमद्रे इसे This is Kunjarani Devi. She used to be like a very prominent figure at one time. See, as you can see, the noble objective of the government, in fact our Honorable Chief Minister, is when the public and when people see this kind of hall where sports persons, especially the 19 Olympians over here, are kind of immortalized here with the statues here, there will be a lot of encouragement. A lot of people would really be very enthusiastic and motivated to take up sports and reach that level of greatness that only that strong dedication and a firm commitment can take you to that level. This is Neil Kamal. Air India the lady, come on. Imagine I'm a kid. I is angang ne khalo. Aduga ay masida lakpada masigi mayam se ubada ay su yamna thawayaw na any sports da ay kaino se motivation se leiro ni ngai kari lege when I see all these things. I mean, like, this is a great way yamna kari hai sa government da yamna thagat ni ngai, because this is how we encourage ourselves. A small state like ours, we need all the encouragement that is required. We need all the commitment that is required. And this is the best way of encouraging the people of Manipur who are sports enthusiasts, who are sports lovers, to achieve higher, to aim higher, and also, in fact, increase the number of the Olympians. Right now we have 19. Maybe in a few more years' time, maybe in a decade, we may have much more. And that's the way to encourage. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. We are really, really happy to have this kind of Olympian Park for encouraging sports persons. Thank you so much. This is one of the aesthetic view of the famous Olympic emblem of the 5 rings. And you know how it is, Altius, Citius. You can normally never come. Yeah. And of course, this is yet to be completed. This is going to be the watchtower. In fact, we can. आइए देखते हैं. This is the gents' toilet. It's quite clean, very decent. I'm seeing it. Quite good. This is the ladies' washroom. As you can see, this is the beautiful Olympian Park. The motive, the theme behind building this kind of beautiful structure to encourage sports persons of the state. This is also one of the locations wherein the Honorable Chief Minister suggested that over here a kind of virtual training center will come out from here. So we hope that in the coming days, when this virtual training center comes up, it's going to be a very interesting place where, like, I mean, with the kind of gadgets that you put in, just like playing video, but at the same time you can do some training, maybe boxing or anything, so that can enhance your skills. Duna masigi sida hojiki virtual gi oina training center ma thola agadi simla kanda sports persons singi damakta hena su kanaba oigadoba hena su masida magi skills to enhance tawdoba aduna masigi jaga se yam thuna semdok pasu akhoi ngaijari, and I hope it's going to benefit each one of us. It's S.Saheibung Ko House Sapa Ting la Khomi Them. Basically, after visiting the Olympian Park, I just thought of dropping to this nearby village, which is called Saheibung. It's a beautiful village and has around 40 houses, 45 maybe. Yeah. And the chief has also you know, like gracefully and very nice of him, he has invited me to his house, so we'll just have a cup of tea or something like that.